Now in this video today we will see one settings that you can enable in advance in your iPhone that will help you when you are logged because you forgot the passcode. So that setting is, you will go to settings icon, you will scroll down and you will go to Face ID and passcode. You will enter the passcode at first. Remember, these settings you have to do in the beginning only. Let me go down, and if you see at the bottom there is an option here, erase data. What happens? All data on this iPhone will be erased after 10 failed passcode attempt. That means if you put the passcode wrong for 10 times, then this device will be automatically erased. So let me select this option, enable, and let me close my iPhone. So let me open the iPhone and let me enter the wrong passcode. This is one time I have entered, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So after 5 times you will see you have to try to unlock the iPhone again after 1 minute. So you have to wait for 1 minute. So let me again enter the wrong passcode. So this is my 6th time and I have to wait for 5 minutes. Now again let me put a wrong passcode and see what happens. So you can see security lockout, try again in 15 minutes, and at the bottom you can see there is an option here, erase iPhone. So let me select this one, and then again let me select this option, erase iPhone. So what I have to do is I have to enter the passwords for my Apple ID, and once I do it my iPhone will be automatically erased, and then I can set a new passcode.